DIY LEV60F 3.2 lithium iron phosphate batteries. Live here at JW Solar USA. This is, I think it's part 5 on the video. So guys, this is what we are pre-assembling here at the command center of the JW Solar USA in Minnesota. The last video I showed you with the BMS and how everything was connected. So I decided to take these batteries from this unit here that used to be in this box. Do you remember that video? And now they are here. So I'm trying to build a really robust power pack that's really cool. So for just this guy right here, 4 batteries wired in series, is gonna be 74 amp hours. And if you look at that here, we start back here and all the way to this battery right here, that's another 74 amp hours. And if you start from here all the way to 3, 4 here, it's another 74 amp hours. So that's what I did. I wired this battery from here and all the way to the 3rd battery here. That makes it the 4th from here. So it's one string. Then I got one from another positive comes from this guy all the way to this guy here is another string, and I'm building another string. So now we need 4 more of these or more, which I'm waiting for, so we can continue to do a lot of series of 12 volt here, or maybe we can do a string of 24 volt or 48. All depends to our application. You can still see the BMS wires are here, but I'm trying to see if I can get 16 batteries here, because right now we have 12 altogether. So if you look at it, you can see the 12 batteries here. So all I wanted is we can able to get 16 or more batteries, and that'll give us the something that we really wanted. So we can able to do just a 16S 1P. So it's not like a big deal. We do that, or if we can able to get more, then we can do as much as we can to cover this project. So that's why you don't forget to check on the thank you button on the player below, by the it's not by the top where you can have the subscribe button down there. You see there's a thank you button there, super thanks, so that we can continue to do more of these videos and bring you guys a very clean content or very nice content of what you want to see on the channel. Because if you're not able to do this, we are here to do it for you right on the channel. But everything costs money, and because of that, it's experimental. It costs money, and we have to fund this project. Okay, some of this project is just come and go, and just for display purposes. It's not for any fancy or whatever, trying to keep this. But who knows, if we have the funding for it, we can put this one for giveaway. We can put some of this stuff as a giveaway, because due to test and all that kind of stuff. But we have to have the fun to do that, and things are very expensive nowadays. So if you decide to tip in whatever you have on the super thanks button, or super pack is there, so you can donate some of these things for this project, and we can see how things go. We can probably put this one on a giveaway. Whosoever got it got it. So that's how it is. So we all learn together and everything turned up to be good. Thanks for watching. I just want to elaborate about that and see. We need another pack here, which is a 4 set up the other way. Then we can end up to have a 16 modules or 16 cells altogether to give us one module. Well, this is what it is, and like I said, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.